The universe looks like a vast empty ocean sprinkled with the rare islands of galaxies. But this is an illusion. Just a small fraction of all atoms are found in galaxies, while the rest is thought to be drifting in between the intergalactic medium. Like the roots of some massive tree, gas spreads out from each galaxy, gravity funneling fresh mass into this dense cosmic forest. Here, in the intergalactic medium, are the raw materials of creation: hydrogen and helium, woven into sheets and filaments that flow into galaxies where they eventually create stars. If we look closely, we see who is in charge: quasars, the single most powerful objects in existence. As small as a grain of sand compared to the Amazon River, they reside in the centers of some galaxies, shining with the power of 1 trillion stars, blasting out huge jets of matter, completely reshaping the cosmos around them. They're so powerful that they can kill a galaxy. What are they? And how do they mold the structure of the universe at their whim? Today, let us know the darkness behind this bright question. Want to join us on the journey to these mysteries of the universe? Then subscribe to our channel and also click on the bell icon for further new notifications. Watch the video till the end. Hope you enjoy watching this video. Then please give it a thumbs up and do share it with other keen learners like you. Now, let's get started. How quasars kill galaxies? Okay, maybe killing is a bit of an exaggeration. A galaxy is still there after its quasar turns off, but it will never be the same again. Quasars, being among the hottest and brightest things in the universe, break their galaxies by heating them up too much and stopping star formation. Hot gases cannot form stars. This sounds odd because stars are gas that collapsed in on itself and then got really hot. But in a cloud of gas that is already hot, so hot gas cannot form stars. Instead, the best gas for star formation is already cold and won't put up a fight when it's time to collapse into a star. On top of that, quasars push gas out of their galaxy. Not only does the star of a quasar, but its galaxy loses the raw materials for new stars. As sad as this sounds, it might be a good thing for life. The alternative can be far more dangerous. Too many stars. New stars forming is usually followed by massive stars exploding in supernova. So planets would be burned sterile. But of course, it's more complicated. Like the intricacies of our own planet's biosphere, every piece of the galaxy is dependent on and influencing every other part of the galactic environment. Hot things like quasars and supernova tend to push out gas of the galaxy, while hot things like quasars and supernova tend to push gas out of the galaxy. Atoms are moving quickly. When they collide, they hit hard, exerting pressure. The shock waves in quasar jets can also compress gas, making new stars, at least for a short time, that resists gravity's squeeze. And gas that leaves will mix with gas coming back in and recycle it back. In general, we can say that without things becoming a bit more chill, we would not exist today. Which brings us to our final question. Did the Milky Way have a quasar in the past? It's nuclear if every galaxy went through a quasar phase. But understanding distant quasars may provide clues to the history of the Milky Way. Galaxies don't do a good job of preserving their history. Like sand on a beach, the endless churning mixes away the clues of their past. It's possible the Milky Way was once a quasar, which may have allowed our supermassive black hole Sagittarius A star to have grown to 4 million times the mass of the Sun. But sadly, we don't know its ancient history. And as dormant as it is now, Sagittarius A star could turn into a quasar into the future. In a few billion years, the Milky Way will merge with Andromeda. We have seen over 100 double quasars in galaxies smashing together, where fresh gas is provided for the central black holes. But it won't last for long. When galaxies merge, so do their supermassive black holes. Sinking into the center of their new galaxy, kicking up dust and stars in every direction. We don't know whether this will happen, but it would truly be an incredible sight. Maybe some beings in the far future are going to witness it and be in awe of what they see. But you don't have to wait for that long. There are plenty of fascinating things to explore right here on this planet, right now, if you have the knowledge to understand them. That was all for today's video. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself and bye bye.